Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're always on the lookout for the latest tech to make life easier and more fun, you're in for a treat. Let's explore 7 next-level gadgets that you didn't know you needed. The Arcade 1-Up Game Table is a modern gaming console featuring a vibrant 32 touchscreen display. It offers a diverse library of classic and contemporary games, supports local multiplayer, and has customizable settings. With a sleek tabletop design and built-in speakers. The smartphone lockbox timer is a portable and secure case designed to help users practice self-discipline by temporarily locking away their mobile devices. Featuring a timed locking mechanism, it allows users to set specific intervals for phone confinement, promoting focus and reducing distractions. The G6 Foldable Quadcopter is a versatile aerial drone designed for both beginners and experienced users. Featuring an S6 HD camera, it captures stunning high-definition footage from the sky. With GPS functionality and FPV capabilities, users can easily navigate and enjoy real-time video transmission. The drone is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring safe flights. Its foldable design makes it portable and convenient. The TWS 2-in-1 Smart Sports Watch features a top-quality wireless Bluetooth headset integrated into its design, providing exceptional sound quality for calls and music. This headset is lightweight and ergonomically designed for comfort during workouts, ensuring a secure fit. The combination of the smartwatch's health monitoring capabilities and the headset's clear audio performance makes it an ideal choice for fitness enthusiasts who value both connectivity and performance. Wireless Charging LED Desk Lamp is a multifunctional desk accessory that combines modern design with smart features. It offers a powerful 10W wireless charging pad and a USB charging port. Its smart LCD display shows the time, temperature, calendar, and alarm settings. The lamp features a sliding dimmable function for customizable brightness levels and includes an auto timer for energy efficiency. RGB LED Fog Machine is an impressive stage lighting effect designed to enhance any event, including weddings, DJ shows, concerts, and parties. This versatile fogger produces thick, colorful fog, creating a captivating atmosphere. Equipped with vibrant RGB LED lights, it adds a dynamic visual element to your setup. The magnetic MagSafe case is designed for the iPhone, offering heavy-duty shock absorption for optimal protection. Its robust construction safeguards against drops and impacts while maintaining a sleek profile. The case features a convenient rotatable kickstand, allowing for versatile viewing angles. It easily attaches to accessories and chargers.